Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Evan wig by Jon Renau in the color 27 MBF. Now, I wanted to show you this color right off the bat, off my head, because I think that's really the best way to show you how this color is laid out. This color is super confusing to people because it's not anything like the 27 MB. I mean, I know it's only one letter off, but it's not anything like the 27 MB. So let me sort of explain what I mean by that. The 27 MB is a mixed blend. So it's got all these different tones in it to make it look like, you know, a natural sort of 27. So MB stands for mixed blend, like I said. So they take all these colors that are a little bit darker and a little bit lighter and blend them together, and it makes a really natural looking sort of light auburn. The F in the 27 MBF makes all the difference in the world. So take a look at all these colors. You've got this intense sort of ash blonde blended in with this sort of cherry red and this coppery auburn that's almost like a dark rust color. And I mean, it's just got a ton of stuff going on. Just an epic amount. And then down here at the nape, none of that blonde, none of those lighter colors. Instead, it's all like a number 33, which is like a dark natural auburn blended with that 32, which is like, you know, that dark cherry red with little teeny hints of the copper. But I mean, look at the contrast between the top and the bottom. This is also substantially different from the 32F. The 32F is also a fashion color, and it's got a lot of the same tones going throughout. I mean, especially a lot of these blonde tones and these like bright cherry tones. But here, you know, what the 32F, where that differs from this 27 MBF is that this has way more of that sort of light auburn blended throughout. So if you're torn between those two colors, the 32F in the Jon Renau line is darker, and you know, even though it's got a lot of the same tones, there's a lot more contrast between the highlight and the base shades. So let me go ahead and fluff Evan just a little bit by shaking her out, and then I'm going to go ahead and put her on. You know what? Before I put her on though, let me show you the cap, since I've already got it off my head. Open wefted back and sides. We've got an extended felt nape with really short nape hair. So if you buy this wig, you may want to cut the tags off if you decide to keep it. We've got adjustable Velcro here at the back. We've also got closed felt ear tabs. This is an open cap wig with a smart lace front. So there's that open top, and it does have a monofilament crown insert. There's that insert one more time. So all right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. Make sure those ear tabs are nice and flush up against the sides of my head. Get that lace front in the right place. Since the nape's really short, it might take me a second or two to get that into position. If you see my bio hair popping out, forgive me, I'm trying to grow it out a little bit. So it's a little unruly at the moment, especially at the nape. This is a super lightweight wig. It's less than 2 ounces at 1.9 ounces. We've also got a bang of 5 inches. It's really nice and wispy, can be kind of swept off to the side there. Really pretty bang on this one. The crown down is 5.25. The sides are 2, and the nape is 1.75. So let me go ahead and turn around so you can see what Evan looks like on all sides. I like the way that the hair falls into place here on the sides. I think that's really cute. This is kind of like a modified boy cut. It's super chic, and you can do a lot to fluff her up and get a little bit of extra volume out of her if you want. Or him, you know, who am I to discriminate? Yeah. But yeah, very, very cute little wig. Let me go ahead and zoom in here on this lace front. So you can see it's that Jon Renau Smart Lace. So it starts off a little sparse here right at the front and then gradually gets thicker as you get towards the top of the wig. So there you go. This is the Evan by Jon Renau in the color 27 MBF, not to be confused with 27 MB, which is a much more natural looking color, and all of these colors are just sort of blended together in that one, so it looks, you know, more like a regular 27. This one, definitely high fashion color. Definitely looks great on these shortcuts. So again, huge difference between the tones there. This one is way more similar to the 32F than it is to the 27 MB. So just want to throw that out there again. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, demystifying colors and exploring wigs for you every day. And so, yeah, if you like what I do here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to check me out on Instagram. I'm on Pinterest. I'm all over the place. And I also have my own wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great afternoon.